What's up, travelers? We have just docked in Roatan, Honduras, and we're going to be going and taking a tour of the island and stopping by a Monkey and Sloth.
And we get to hang out with sloths today.
So yes, there'll be a Monkey and Sloth sanctuary, as well as I believe a chocolate and rum factory tour.
Yes.
And like I said, tour of the island. So I guess let's go ahead ashore and check it out. So we've arrived.
We get to play with sloths. I'm so excited.
Yeah. And let's hope the monkeys don't steal your camera.
Oh, that's why I'm not gonna hold it. So I took allergy medicine because there's a lot of cats.
And we don't know.
And I don't know if I'm allergic to sloths and monkeys. I just thought about that when I got here. So we'll see.
Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Okay, so the microphone has to come out, otherwise the monkey will steal it.
Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
Felt warm.
It looks like Victoria got peed on by a monkey.
And it literally was the last one.
The baby got her. Yeah, you can tell.
You used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
So we're in the midst of our island tour.
Yes. We have been driving around and seeing a little bit of everything that it has to offer. But look what I just found. I found a tool.
It's a giant turtle building. And now we are at the place a craft market that makes everything from recycled items, including this awesome sculpture out front. It's a
Flip
flipper.
it, flip it. From scuba diving.
All right, let's go check it out.
They are made of the washing machine. Like they recycle the metal from it. Like it even says that it's recycled.
Wow.
So
That's
everything.
cool.
And then just
Everything
I
is
knew that
recycled from
everything is
something.
recyclable, but like, I guess like,
So, yeah, all of these are made from something, either washing machines or license plates. So that's really cool. So we made it to the west end of the island, and behind us, but right behind this absolutely beautiful beach.
which
is-
is super clear. I just want to highlight that because
Yeah,
even
it's
though the
super
little
nice.
boats are here, you can see how clear everything is. But we're hitting.
Roatan Chocolate Factory. What? So let's go in and we'll check it out.
We just finished our tour with the chocolate. It was really good. We ended up actually buying a few bars to take home.
Yeah, it's a super quick place. It doesn't take very long, but really good. Nice to sample them.
Yeah, I mean, they literally had like 6 or 8 different ones, actually probably more. But you could try every single one of them as many times as you wanted. And right now we're just walking around the beach area at the west side, right?
Yeah, the west end.
And right now we just grabbed a quick drink just because it's very, very hot. And then we're just gonna continue our tour of the island.
So we are now back on board. That wraps up our time in Roatan today.
A monkey peed on me today, but I got to hold a sloth, so I guess they balanced things out.
If you enjoyed following us along on this adventure, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to see more of our adventures at sea on cruise ships, check out the link above Victoria's head.
My head.
Yeah.
And we'll see you all in our next cave.
Bye, everyone.